Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: verified seller account, GSD, and clean product listings. Once done, log into Seller Hub and go straight to promotions or ads. Create a campaign and choose product promotion. This ties ads to your live catalog. Make sure to select the correct SKU and product image because relevance drives click-through rates. You're starting paid exposure now rather than pausing for optional setup. This gets your first impressions and data quickly, so you can optimize next. You now configure the campaign details. Pick a clear goal like conversions or visibility so bidding aligns with outcomes. Next, set budget limits, daily and total, and decide between automated or manual bidding. Automated simplifies testing while manual gives control. Once done, select targeting by category, city, and device to reach shoppers who actually buy. Upload short, benefit-led creatives and ensure landing pages are the exact product listings. Make sure to schedule peak shopping hours to maximize spend efficiency, and you launch the campaign and begin daily monitoring of impressions, CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and ROAS. Use short feedback loops. After 48-72 hours, reallocate budget to top-performing SKUs and pause ads that underdeliver. Once done, run a /B tests on creatives and titles to lift relevance. Make sure to iterate on bids and timing. If things go wrong, check feed synchronization, inventory, and policy rejection notices first. This single check resolves most issues quickly, then adjust targeting or budgets based.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.